Here's exactly how to change aspect ratio in Clipchamp, step by step. Now let's use this video as an example. Here we have a horizontal video. So say you want to change the aspect ratio and you want to convert this horizontal video to vertical. Click on size and here you can change the aspect ratio. Now if you don't see size, that means you clicked on the video. So make sure you click outside, then you will see size at the top. I'll click on vertical and now the video is vertical. Next, let me show you how to fix these black bars. Click on the video, click on fit, then click again to fill. Now, by the way, you can also drag the video like this to the right or to the left. So you can adjust and choose exactly which part of the video you want to show. So for this example, let me drag it here. Next, let me show you how to convert vertical video into horizontal. Click on size, change the aspect ratio to wide. And now the video is horizontal, but you can see we now have these black bars. So to fix this, click on the video, click on fit, then click again to fill. Now you can drag the video down or you can drag the video up. So you can adjust and choose exactly which part of the video you want to show. So for this example, let me drag it here. So that's how to change aspect ratio in Clipchamp.